Hi, I'm Dustin from 1 Hour Air of Prescott. When running your HVAC system, you don't need to worry about carbon monoxide coming from electric systems. Carbon monoxide comes from burning fuel from gas heating and appliances. So if you're running gas into your home, either for heating or appliances, you'll want to be aware of the warning signs if there's a problem. Physical symptoms are headaches, fatigue, nausea, or chest pains. Also, if your carbon monoxide detector goes off, get out and call the fire department. Get your gas heater maintained by experts like us at 1 Hour Air of Prescott.